Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, I am Pritam. Today I am recording a video on an app. I will not say the name now. This is an app which is very much viral nowadays. It is just coming to the news. This app is known as the Faceapp. You guys must know this. This app changes the look of a person, and for fun everybody puts their face in this app to change their face to look how they will look when they are 80 years old, or how did they look when they were 10 years old. So this app is a very bad app. This uses AI technology to detect is it a selfie or not, and you can change the looks easily because there's an AI technology. So without wasting time, let's get into the app. So here is the app. Now I am opening it. There you can see I have so many photos. So here I am selecting one photo. Now look what happens. You can see the photo. Now look here. And here you can see that original that is here. Now if I put the classic smile, see, as you can see. Now let me put the original. So you can see that there is a little bit of more smile on the face. So let's go back to impression. There's impression, everything is pro, so I cannot show you. So the next feature is the age. There is the old age. As you can see, the old age. It looks so weird. So this is the young age. This guy will look like this when he's little bit older than teenager. And this is more younger than the previous one. As you see the comparison. So next feature, the bird. Here is the original one and there is a hipster bird. Others are pro, so I cannot show you. So the next feature is hair color. There are two hair colors currently unlocked. The original one is like this and the black one is like that. So much black. Now I can just turn it to a little lighter dark or too much dark. See the comparison now. Look. So let's go to the next feature. Next is hairstyles. There is only one hairstyle for me to unlock, other all are pro, so I cannot. There's a bang. This is an hairstyle which looks different from the previous one. Now to see the comparison. So next go to the next video. Next option. Next is the glasses. Here I have unlocked one glasses and the second one is pro, so I cannot show you. The glasses is here. See, you can see that there is a glass there, so just go to the next option. Next is the makeup. I cannot do anything with this. This will basically make a color of change the color of your face. I don't know whatever happens. So let's go to the next feature. Next is the filters. Here you can change the background colors. See how bright it is and how dark it is changing now. There are all types of features. You can see that there are different types of backgrounds. This is an pro, so I cannot. There is some more which is not pro. As you can see, I'm showing you everything once. There it is, there it is, there it is. So let's go back to the next feature. Next feature is the lens blur. This will blur the screen. If you lower this, it will not focus the background else than the selfie. So the next feature is I will show this on a different picture. So let's get back. I'm showing you on this picture. The next feature was background. This background will change. See, there is a bouquet, there are loft, neon, there is lavender, there is aqua sky which is not unlocked. Now nothing is unlocked. You can see everything from here. So I am not showing you all of these. So let's get back to the next feature. Next is overlay. Now this will show a background with special effect on the person. As you can see the effects on the person. This is a pro, so I cannot. I am showing you everything here. There is indigo, there is polar light, there is colored, there is gothic and so on. So let's go to the next feature. Next feature is a tattoo. There are like so many tattoos. This is a tattoo on the face. So if you lighter this, it will vanish. But if you make it darker, it will be more. There are a lot of statues. So you can see there is a tattoo. There is also a tattoo. There is tattoo. That is a pro one. These are tattoos. This is also a tattoo. Everywhere there is tattoos. As you can see, there are so many tattoos. So I am showing you the next feature. Next is vignette. This will keep the background changing. This will make it darker, and in the center it will be normal. Then it will make it whiter. So let's go to the next feature. I will show the next feature in a different picture. So I am going for this picture. So next feature was adjustments. This will adjust the brightness. As you can see, it is becoming brighter. It is becoming darker. So I am putting it to 0. There's contrast. See, so much bright, so much light. There's saturation. Now see how hot it is becoming in the color. Next is the temperature. Now see, the color looks like it was very much hot and looks like it's very much cold. Next is the sharpen. Now see the picture. Focus on the picture. See the face now. Previously and now. I'm focusing on that. Next is the grain. Now see the picture. You can see the pixels of the picture also. Next, go to the next feature. And next is the crop. This feature is very much known by you. This will select the face. Either you can select face or hand or body, anything. So here I am going back to the next feature. I will show you on a different photo. The next photo I am showing this one. This one is the fun. Now it is Hollywood too. It's kept in sub pro one. This is an Instagram share. If you want, you can share them to Instagram. On Instagram, there's an old HD, there's a young HD, there is a male HD. You can either share it to Instagram. There are all types of hair colors. As you can see, this one it is cool styles. Then you can share it with Facebook too. There's a pro one. It's an hairstyle. I can also share this to Facebook. There's golden swaps. I'm not showing all this. You can see all the pictures here, how it will show. Now this one is a stupid picture. See the comparison between the female and the male version. It's not a TikTok. Still, this app is very much weird. This app should be banned. You can see there's also mustache. This is so weird that I can't believe. There's a bird. There's goatee. There's all beard style. There's female. So there's long hair too. So I am going back to another picture. I am going back to a male picture. Now just look everything you can. Now just see here. See the hair color. Now see the styles. You can see that there's a gender swap option also. As you can see, this is a weird thing. More weird than the previous one I said. So don't say this is a TikTok, this is an app. So you can see all features are there. There is a full beard. There is a red hair also. There is a Hitman version also, as you know the game Hitman. There are sunglasses, like there's a long hair also. This looks the weird picture ever. So let's go to the next feature. So layouts. This will show the stylist. If you add here, you can add their wave, sunglass, long hair, and tinted and shaved. If you apply fine on, wait a second. Sorry, I haven't paused here. I cannot show it because it is my video is continuously pausing. So so there you can combine, see them. And here is a college option. Here you can college some of the pictures. See now. There are the ages, the all collage options. As you can see all these. Next is the duo. There will be a comparison. I'm showing you the comparison with the old version of this man. See now. Now there is a mirror. Now we can show the young version of this person. Now you will see that. Anyways, so next go to the last version, that is the lens. So there is a black that will put a picture on the back. You may change it here. With glasses also you can put it. So that was all for today. So this is an very viral app. The disadvantage of this app is that everybody capture their photos and they disclose their identity, and this is a big security issue. So it's better not to use these apps, and I hope these apps will be banned soon by the government. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to turn on notification. Let me know in the comments what apps you want me to record. So thank you. See you guys in the next video.